I'm infinitely tied to the creative juices and loving creating comedy for people and loving to craft an evening where we get to, unfold our arms for a while and just belly laugh, because I don't think we give ourselves permission enough to do that. Mm-hmm. But when it comes to the results of that, that's up to God. I don't have, I believe in the power of it and that people's lives are changed. If you could read a month of the emails that come into our office about how I was sitting in the audience and I had no idea if I could ever laugh again because my 17-year-old son was killed in a car accident 5 months ago. And that was the first time I've laughed since then. And I really feel like I'm going to make it now. If you could read those emails, you would understand why the 17th time I go through TSA in a single month, it doesn't bother me. Because I know that God does stuff through laughter. How good it would have been to take a day for people to just say, hey, we see you. We love you. We notice that your life must be funky and interesting and filled with a little higher expectation than other people's lives are. And we're watching you and your kids, and we're trying to figure out how you're making it through life. And you are kind of you didn't sign up for it example to the world. What better way to say we see you, we love you? The movie Avatar, I see you. I think a lot of ministers' wives are waiting for someone to say that. I see you. And in October, when we say we appreciate your husband, it's now May, and we're saying we appreciate you. It's a wonderful event. I would have loved for anyone to have done that for me. And we're taping our DVD at sea, the new DVD.
Oh, cool.
And the title of the DVD is going to be, I'm not high maintenance, I'm just low tolerance. So there'll be a couple of new song parodies and a bunch of new comedy. So, but I can tell you that day, we will tailor it all to ministers' wives. So there will be... I don't know how long I'm supposed to have. If you have 3 or 4 hours, I got about that much on Ministry Wives. So you'll have to shut me down. It'll be a lot of fun. No, I promise it will be uplifting like a good underwire. And it'll be awesome. I'm just looking forward to it.